So this is a great meal if you're on a budget, if your money is tight, if you have to make meat stretch.
Just sitting out on the deck, peeling a mountain of apples. You can see the peels and cores. And I'm watching Heather at the Needy Homesteader make hamburger soup as I get the job done. So the apples are going to go into apple pies. I'm freezing the apples for when I'm able to make the pies. All of this is going to be apple scrap jelly. I'm just down to the last few apples now. But Heather at the Needy Homesteader is keeping me company while I do it. So the Needy Homesteader is a real inspiration for me. I watch all her videos. We talked about how the death of someone can rob your joy. And canning was a joy for me. My grief for my dad, the passing of my dad, and the passing of my mom earlier this year too. They both died within 3 months of each other. So I'm just getting back to it. She said, just get back on the horse and get going again. And maybe I'll find my joy for canning once more. So that's what this apple scrap jelly is going to be for me. Okay, this bread bag is full of peels. These are the cores. This is what I'm making the apple scrap jelly out of. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to bring you along and let you see the end result. It's always good, and it's a great way to avoid food waste. And here we have 3 gallons and 1 small bag of apple slices that I'm freezing, and we'll be making pies and apple crisps out of as the weather gets cooler. I hope you'll join me in the Grocery Ninja Kitchen when I make that apple jelly. It's a great way to avoid food waste because you're not throwing away the cores and peels. The jelly is delicious, so nothing is going to waste. Also, this has cost me nothing but a little bit of my time. I hope you'll join me next time in the Grocery Ninja Kitchen when I'm going to give you more ideas on how you too can save money on your groceries. Eating well for less. Until next time.